You see it, man. Ooh, that black on that bed, man. Got him looking. Oh man, look at that right there though. Remember that part? Man, boy got that thing looking factory. Right here, it was cracked. Everything. You see this shit, man. All the way down. You see this? Like, I don't even know you can see it. It's so shiny. And I ain't being funny right now, bro. For real. Ain't. I can't even see the shit. Fuck. Damn. Nah, ain't man, this shit, look at the brick on the wall. This shit is crazy. Y'all might have to get the other side. That shit too wet, bro.
Hell yeah.
Look at the gas tank. Sign right there, boom. Then Killer Cruiser, man. That's the guy, man. Come on, man. He crazy.
Get it wet, get it wet. Get any of these factory paints.
Wow. Man, that's that nigga paint job right there. Check him out, man. Oh.
That's just that clarity.
Clarity. You hear him talking this shit back there. I'm vouching for him. He going crazy. Say that thing, the body will be painted tomorrow. That's that black on it, though. Look at it. Be crazy, man. I'm gonna call it candy black. Fuck it.
Black licorice.
Black licorice. I don't even know if that exists. But yeah, that's that black on there, man. Then check the details on it. Right there, you see all that right there. Check the details. Had to let them see the details. You know what I'm saying? All the way down to it. Bow, right there. I'm always gonna get you in there. You know what I'm saying? Killer Cruisers, man. Come on now. They go to number since y'all already wanna know, man. Cause I don't know what prices niggas. I don't know what's his prices. You gotta come see it for yourself, man. But yeah, come tap in, man. Nigga shit wet. Bow, look at right there. You see the sun? Right there. Sheesh. So that black, that's his black right here. Finna take this that's factory black. We taking them off. He gonna put his own black on now. Plus he about to hit that black right there. So all that's going back to the new black. Plus with these lights. Killer Cruiser! Man got that bed to a Camaro, it flopped out. That shit about 3 pounds. How much this bitch weigh?
Man, I don't know, man. That motherfucker light as fuck. That's all I know.
You can do that bitch with your pinky, man.
Lightest dude I ever seen.
Look, man. I say fucking 3 pounds, 5 pounds tops, man. 3 pounds, some shit. That shit like real life. That's some shit he got together. Get it together. Say you gotta get that dude out, man. It's doing too much. That's without clear coat. About to put that clear coat on it. See that black on that thing, man. He going. Steady going. Killer Cruiser. Y'all already know. What Killer Cruiser run there. That's with no coat on it. No clear coat. I ain't. Wait till that clear coat get on that joint. Sheesh. Instead of black on it. Clear coat about to go down. I still can see myself in this. Huh?
I like this.
That's that clear coat he be using on them joints.
It's a nice economical clear coat, you know what I'm saying?
Sheesh.
4 to 1.
You see it?
Put about three, 4 coats on it. It's a medium solids, you know?
3, 4 coats, man.
It ain't
Hear the man talking. You hear him talking? Ain't no coats on this thing yet. Look at it though. Sheesh. right there. See that black on him? Oh,
Come
man.
over here.
There I come.
You can get the reflection of the lines in
That black on that junk.
the... Man, if I was to get super 50, you wouldn't get this motherfucker back till next year.
Oh, no.
I can get crazy on it, man. I can get crazy.
No, I gotta take this off your hands, boss man. God damn. I can't wait till next year. I'm like a kid at Christmas at this point.
Man, I'm telling you.
Them details in that joint, man. Sheesh. See that black on that thing.
This big motherfucker.
Killer Cruiser. It's that first watch, man. Don't you lose my key, Ray. Don't you lose my key. It's that first watch, man. We going in. About to take it home in a second. Killer Cruiser. Gotta get a step ladder for big boy, man. He ain't fucking around. Keep y'all posted and let y'all see this thing, man. That first white, man. Sheesh. He's somewhere. Them GMC cows come. I got them cows coming. I'm gonna take that shit out ASAP. Probably as soon as I get home. When y'all see that thing, man. It ain't been built or nothing, man. Look at the clouds in that joint. Sheesh. Every cloud. Shout out to the train for the courtesy, you know. I mean, for being my backup. Look at that motherfucker. Rain in the back. Great. There you go. God. Peace. Come check these clouds out.
Huh? Oh, man.
Oh,
See the sky in that motherfucker, bro. Oh, man. Oh, man.
damn, that's crazy. That's cloud and cloud. '96 GMC Dually extended cab, fully restored, bumper to bumper. I ain't done with it yet. Finna add more 10. I mean, add 10 and, you know, scream in it and all that. But my project, man, I've been working on. Nice.